Living in the countryside without modern conveniences such as the internet, cars, or supermarkets can offer a unique and fulfilling lifestyle. Here are some aspects that I made this video of this way of living that many people find appealing. Living in the countryside allows you to be surrounded by nature. You can enjoy fresh air, scenic views, and the sounds of wildlife. This connection can lead to a more relaxed and mindful existence. Finding food naturally can foster a sense of independence and self-reliance. Fishing, raising livestock can provide a sustainable way to obtain food. People often find fulfillment in knowing exactly where their food comes from. The pace of life in the countryside is often slower and less stressful than in urban areas. The tranquility can lead to reduced anxiety and improved mental well-being. While living without modern conveniences can be challenging, many find that the rewards in terms of health, happiness, and a deepened relationship with nature far outweigh the shortcomings. It ultimately depends on personal preferences and values regarding lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching our video. Your support truly means the world to us. If you enjoyed the content, please give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update from us. Hit that notification bell too, so you'll be the first to know when we post something new.